Hey, what's going on, everybody? So Apple has just released iOS 15.3.1 as well as iPadOS 15.3.1. So whenever you have a little .1 update or .2, it's usually something pretty minor. So this particular update fixes a issue and also addresses a security bug. So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. Alright, so first off, the bug fix here. So if you go into your accessibility settings, you actually have the ability to use a third-party Braille display. Well, apparently there was an issue where the third-party Braille display could stop responding. So if you are somebody that uses a Braille display, well, that issue should be resolved now for you. The second thing was a security update. So if we go to Apple's security website here, you can scroll down and you can see each version that was released, when it was released, and you can actually go into each one and you can see what they fixed. So we have another Webkit problem here. So basically, processing maliciously crafted web content could lead to arbitrary code execution. It says Apple is aware of a report that this issue may have been actively exploited. And then it tells you how they fixed it. So a use after free issue was addressed with improved memory management. So yeah, it's nice that Apple gets right on the ball with these updates and fixes these security problems. Now, as far as iPadOS goes, well, it's exactly the same. So this WebKit issue, you can see iPadOS 15.3.1. So this issue would be fixed on your iPad as well as the Braille display if you were using it on there too. Now that's pretty much it for this version here of iOS. The only other thing I'll mention is Apple also released this little newsroom press release here, and it's about the unwanted tracking with AirTags. So if you've seen some of the news stories lately, there's been some criminals that have been tracking people with AirTags, particularly some of the ones I've seen has to do with other people's vehicles. They would stick an AirTag in your car or on your car somewhere, and then they would be able to track you all the way to your home and then possibly, harm you or steal your vehicle. So that is something that I've been seeing a lot. So Apple basically kind of just lays it out how they're kind of trying to address some of that stuff to prevent it from happening. They actually say that it's rare for bad actors to misuse AirTags. I don't know about that. I've seen quite a few stories, but maybe it is rare for now, but criminals are getting smarter, so who knows. But they actually say right here that they're working with law enforcement, and it says that every AirTag has a unique serial number, and paired AirTags are associated with an Apple ID. And it actually says that Apple can provide law enforcement the paired account details in response to a subpoena or a request from law enforcement. So yeah, they're basically saying that, if you try this and you misuse an AirTag, that they can basically expose who you are. But, when you think about that, is a criminal going to use their personal Apple ID? I don't know. But we'll have to see, because they actually say we've successfully partnered with them and actually given information to where they were apprehended and charged. So who knows? Maybe that actually is working. They also have some different stuff coming to the AirTag and the Find My network, so new privacy warnings during the AirTag setup, addressing alert issues for AirPods, and updated the support documentation. So yeah, they got quite a few stuff going on here to help prevent this stuff from happening, and yeah, that's basically the AirTag update. But guys, that's pretty much it here for iOS 15.3.1 and iPadOS 15.3.1. A pretty minor update here. Who knows, we might see some more minor updates before we head into 15.4, but we'll just have to wait and see. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching the channel as always. I'll catch you on the next video.